I'm Eddie, I did photography, media and English language, and I got 2 A's and a B.
Molly Casares. So I got an A star in my English literature, I got an A in my fine art, and I got a B in my politics.
My name is Jack Bothwell. I did A-level history and I got a B in it. I did A-level law and I got a B in that, and I did A-level sociology and got an A in that.
My first name is Get Harris and my second name is Kidlow. Very happy with my results. I got A in history, which I could have gone for an A star, but I got the A, and then I got an A star in economics and an A star in politics. And then previously in 1 year I finished my philosophy A-level as well. I got a B in that in 1 year, which is not too bad.
I think it was really good. A-levels are really tough, but it was an enjoyable experience and it was worth it.
Also, some of the teachers here are really, really inspiring. They're really nice. I know that every kid in a class wants their teacher to do the best for them, but for me it's quite nice to sit back and be able to see a teacher that's very versatile and can work with people who have got all kind of ranges of different abilities and problems within a class. And when I can see a teacher cater in one room at the same time for all of those people, I think that's quite an amazing skill, and some of my teachers here have been able to pull that off fabulously.
The teachers, can't fault them, they're great, they worked so hard. Yeah, really, really great, supportive teachers.
Yeah, it was good. All the teachers were really supportive and gave you a lot of help when you needed it. So
I'm, well, not hopefully, I am off to study a master's degree in liberal arts at the University of Bristol in September. Yeah, so it's a 4-year course, so with a master's added on top, because basically with the master's you do a year abroad in your 3rd year, and then you come back and do a master's degree in your 4th. And I really wanted to do the year abroad, so that's why I chose to do the master's.
Film and media at University of Sunderland, something I've always been interested in, and I really like their course, and they have a lot of opportunities there. So
I'm going to be doing a gap year, and then I'll be off to uni the year after, so yeah, do some travelling.
I applied for Oxford, I've done all the interviews and everything, they gave me a place, so I was basically waiting on my grades today, and they turned up all good, so hopefully I should be going off to Oxford come late September, early October.